Hi everybody. Today I'm gonna make this deer meat. I'm gonna stick it in the slow cooker. I've been cooking in the frying pan for the last several weeks, but I still got a big old chunk left, and I'm gonna throw it in the slow cooker. Found this really quick recipe online, and just so happens I have all the ingredients. Okay, so here we are. I have the 3 pounds of, roughly 3 pounds of deer meat. I got the onion that I called for, the onion soup. I don't have soy sauce, but I do got teriyaki. I'm going to use that instead. Pepper, Worcestershire sauce, got cream of mushroom condensed soup, and garlic powder. They say garlic salt, but I like garlic powder. I try to stay away from too much salt. But yes, I've got all this ingredients already, and like I said, I'm tired of eating it out of the frying pan. So let's go over here and put all these ingredients in the crock pot and let it cook, and we'll have this for supper. Alright, we got our meat here. I already put the pepper on top of it. My son's going to help me a little bit with this. We've got the dry onion soup mix and the condensed mushroom soup mixed up in a bowl. We've got our onions, and we have all the other ingredients right here. So we're going to put this over top of here, and we'll be right back. Now that we've got the garlic powder, the pepper, teriyaki sauce, and the Worcestershire sauce on there, we're going to add the dry onion mix and the mushroom mix to it. We're just going to put that on top. Scrape it, scrape it, scrape it. Get as much out of there as you can. Just put it over top of it. Alright, and then now we're going to put the onions on top that we diced up. And we're going to put the lid on, and we're going to put this on low and cook it for 6 hours. And when it's done, we'll be back to show you what it looks like. Alright everybody, here's the finished product. We're fixing to put this on the plate. Actually put it in a bowl. Then cut what we want off of it and eat it. But it looks and smells really good. Thank y'all for watching, and God bless.